Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. I hope you are enjoying all the multiplication short trick videos which I have been posting of late, and all these short tricks are the base of mental maths. So once you are aware about these short tricks and you have put in sufficient number of hours to practice these and put it actually into the behavior, into the classroom and into the practice, that's the time you will say to yourself that you have learned something new. So watching the video is not enough, you need to practice it. So what do we have in this video? In this video I am going to continue with the magic multiplication tricks, and this happens to be the chapter 2 of our the books of short tricks which we have. And if you want a compilation of all those short tricks at one place, this is my WhatsApp number 9896369963. It is given in the description also here, so you can go for the e-version of that book and it will help you a great deal whether you are a school student, a college student, or anybody preparing for any type of government competitive exam. So friends, when we have to multiply any number, whether it is a big number of 7 digits, 6 digits, by nines, that means 9, 99, 999, 9999, and so on. Even the decimals can be multiplied by nines easily and without pen and paper. I use pen because I need to demonstrate everything to you, but after watching this, you will do it without pen and paper. So let's understand the concept used in the trick. Now suppose you have a 2-digit number like 63 and you need to multiply it by a number which has equal number of nines, like 2 digits here and 2 nines here. When we have equal number of digits, multiplication by nines becomes so easy. What you have to do is just reduce this number by 1. So 63 minus 1 becomes 62. That will give you the first part of your final answer. I'll write it here, 62. And the remaining part for 63, you just have to do 10 minus the last digit and 9 minus the remaining digits. If there are more digits, they will also be subtracted from 9 only. So 9 minus 6 is that will give you a 3, and 10 minus 3 will give you a 7. Now this 37 is to be suffixed here and you will get the answer for 63 times 99. You can pick up the calculators and check your answer. Now what will happen if the number of nines and the number of digits are different? Let's understand that also. Now suppose you have less number of digits here and more nines. Like suppose there is a 2-digit number 86 which you need to multiply by 999. Now it's very easy to equalize the number of nines and the number of digits in the number. Just prefix zeros, like I prefix 1 0 here, so 3 digits and 3 nines, and now we can apply the same rule again. The whole number 86 is to be reduced by 1, so that gives me 86 minus 1 is 85. You don't need to write this is just for your reference. So this will form the first part of your answer. And what happens to 086 now? We need to subtract everything from 9. The last digit is to be subtracted from 10, like this. Now what will be the answer? 85 we already got here, and then 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 8 is 1, 10 minus 6 is 4, and we get our answer 85914. Likewise, if the number of digits here are more, suppose you have a number like 73 and you are multiplying that by a single 9. Now this is much more easier. It is just one subtraction which you have to do, because 9 has like only one digit here and we have a number which is being multiplied and it has 2 digits, more digits. So first put a 0 in front of this number, like 0 here, 730, and then subtract the original number 73 from this result. You will get your answer. So 10 minus 3 gives us 7. So 2 means 12, 12 minus 7 gives us 5, and finally 7 becomes 6. So 657 happens to be the product of these two numbers. Likewise, if we want to practice this method now, let us see some questions and we'll quickly get through these. 78 here, and we have a number like 99 here. So 78 when reduced by 1 becomes 77. And what happens to 78? 9 minus and 10 minus. So your answer will be starting with 77. 9 minus 7 is 2 and 10 minus 8 is 2 again. So the answer is 7722. Likewise, 3 digits here and 3 nines here. So 589 minus 1 will give me 588, and 589, this number 9 minus and 10 minus. So start your answer with 588. 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 8 is 1, and 10 minus 9 is 1. So your answer for this product is 588411. Similarly, if you have 4 digits, you should not be bothered because 4 nines and 4 digits, the rule doesn't change. So 7843 minus 1 gives us the number 7842. And then what happens to 7843? We have to subtract everything from 9 but the last digit from 10. So 7842, this becomes the first part of the answer. 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 4, 5, and finally 10 minus 3, 7, and here you have the answer 78422157. Now let's change the number of digits here. Only 2 digits, 3 nines. So let's write it as 086 and multiply this by 999. We have equalized the number of digits. So 86 minus 1 gives me 85. And what happens to 086? This number 9 minus and 10 minus. So answer starts with 85 and 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 8 1, 10 minus 6 4, and you have the product 85914. Let's have some decimals now. Here you can see we have a decimal. So let's take one question where we have more digits in the number compared to the number of nines here. So I told you this number is very close to the base quantity 100, which has 2 zeros. So this number 127, I will suffix 2 zeros with this and just subtract the original number 127 from this. So you will get your answer. So 12,000 will be an obvious part. 700 minus 100 is 600, and 600 minus 27 is 573, which gives me the answer for the question 12573. If there are decimals, we should not be bothered. Like here, you just forget the decimal first. So 4 digits here, 4 nines here becomes very easy for me. 8474 minus 1 gives me 8473, and for 8474 I have to do all from 9 and last from 10. So my answer starts with 8473. I have to put the decimal in the last step, and then 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 7 2, and 10 minus 4 6. And how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So from the right hand side put a decimal, you get your answer 847315.26. See friends, the calculations become so easy when you are ready with a trick for everything. But always remember, in mathematics nothing applies to everything. So if I tell you a trick for multiplication by nines, you cannot apply it for multiplying the numbers by 8s or 7s. So remember that. So friends, if you are liking all these videos, give our channel a subscribe, the Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts channel, and I hope you have hit the bell icon already, and you must be getting all the notifications on your mobile as soon as we are uploading the videos. If you like the content, click the like button and hide the video. This is important. If you hide the video, it has greater chances of reaching the audience. So friends, this was the video on multiplication by nines, and I hope you will practice this and let me know in the comments whether this has benefited you or not. All the best.